Unplug the fan or switch off the circuit breaker. Remove the front guard. Most fans have clips around the guard or a locking ring. Release the clips or unscrew the ring and remove the front grille. Remove the fan blade. Hold the blade firmly. Unscrew the blade cap. Many fans use a reverse left-hand thread, so turn it clockwise to loosen. Pull the blade off the motor shaft. Remove the rear guard. Unscrew the retaining nut holding the rear grille. Remove the rear grille. Open the motor housing. Locate the screws on the back or sides of the motor cover. Remove these screws and carefully separate the front and rear motor covers. Access internal parts. You can now inspect the capacitor, wiring, bearings, oscillation gearbox, and motor windings. 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the fan is plugged in properly. Check the wall socket with another appliance. Inspect the plug and power cord for damage. 2. Check the capacitor. A faulty capacitor is one of the most common causes of fan problems. Symptoms: fan hums but does not start. Fan starts only when pushed by hand. Fan runs slowly. Replace the capacitor with one of the same capacitance, microfarads, and voltage rating. 3. Clean and lubricate bearings. Disconnect power. Remove the front guard and blades. Clean dust from the motor and shaft. Apply a few drops of light machine oil to the bearings, if the motor design allows lubrication. 4. Check the speed switch. If some speeds do not work, the speed selector switch may be faulty. Use a multimeter to test continuity and replace if necessary. 5. Inspect internal wiring. Open the fan housing. Look for loose, burnt, or broken wires. Repair damaged connections and insulate them properly. 6. Test the motor windings. Use a multimeter to check winding resistance. If the winding is open or burnt, the motor may need rewinding by a motor repair shop.
कनेक्शन तो बोल है
दूर में गया थे कनेक्शन खोला और इसमें नहीं बेस्ट और दे रहे हैं यहाँ
बेस्ट कौन लग रहा है
यार एकदम बैड बना जब हम मार्केट कमी ध्यान देना कमाई देता है पता कनेक्शन ना खोलना नहीं दिया
कटर पे मैं 7 मिनट इंग्लिश लगनी करनी मेरा तो बोलना हाँ चाय बोल रहा
ना करा
ਬੋਤਲ ਖਾ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ